All right, seniors, welcome to week 1. In this video, I'm going to go over your expectations for the first week. Monday, May 18th, 2020. Today I'm going to talk about the course intro, the lecture for word of the day, and then we're going to talk about Zello. So a little while ago in the Google Classroom, I had posted my introduction video where I go over the syllabus and things like that. If you haven't already, please go through and watch that. It just gives you a nice overview of what we'll be doing in the class. I have attached the word of the day lecture to today's agenda. You will have 9 words. I don't have a worksheet for you to fill out, but you are going to have a quiz over those 9 words at the beginning of week 3. So just make sure that if it helps you, write it down, or you can listen to the lecture a couple times so you can remember those, whatever works for you. But the big thing today that I want to talk about is Zello. So you may remember Zello from the beginning of the school year. We did the personality finder, the matchmaker quiz, things like that. So Zello is kind of like career cruising. If you don't remember how to log in, it is LANS, that's all capital, and then dash. First initial, last initial, student number. So my example for you is capital LANS dash BH 123456, and your password is going to be the 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year of your birthday. So for example, if you were born on January 15th, 2020, your password would be 01152020. This assignment is going to be worth 15 points, and it's going to be due this Friday. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to look at the checklist with you, and then we're going to pop over to Zello so you can see just what that looks like. This is your Zello checklist. It's a worksheet that will be uploaded to your Google Classroom. The top portion here just reminds you how to log in case you've forgotten. But down here below that, we have 3 lessons. So this is what I found was most often missed during session 1. So I want to really highlight this. You have 3 lessons that you need to complete in Zello. So they are career backup plans, job interviews, and defining success. In addition to those 3 lessons, you're going to do a couple other things. You're going to complete the About Me. Most of your About Me should be done because we worked on it in semester 1. I'm not going to go over everything that you need to do because it's all listed there for you and you have access to this document. You're also going to, under Explore Options, look at schools and majors, and then for goals and plans, create a plan and identify the colleges that you have applied to. So what does this page look like for you? So this is my Zello home screen if I were a 12th grade student. You can see I actually haven't started any of my Zello stuff yet. Probably should do that if I'm a senior. So this is your About Me area. You want to complete all of these steps. Under Explore Options, remember we're looking at career, schools, and majors, and you can save things that you're interested in. And then goals and plans are over here. Don't forget to identify all of the schools that you've applied to. Underneath this, so usually people just stop here. They're like, cool, I did all this. But if you did that and you didn't do anything else, you missed the lesson. So if you scroll down, we have lessons to complete. And you see the little red circle where it says 3. I have 3 lessons left. Career backup plans, job interviews, and defining success. These also need to be done to get full credit for your Zello assignment. So please don't forget these. I found that most of my students, it didn't take a ton of time for them to complete all of the stuff in Zello, but you do have the whole week to get it done. Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Today is just a work day for you guys. You're going to work on Zello and review that Word of the Day lecture if you haven't already looked at it. Wednesday, May 20th, 2020, we are still going to be working on Article of the Week this week. So, you are going to find the article that I've posted in the Google Classroom. Please read it. If you don't feel like reading it, but you want to continue to listen to my lovely voice, there is an audio version of me reading the article to you that I have included in today's agenda and in the assignment on Google Classroom. After reading or listening to the article, you're going to find the prompt in the Google Classroom and you're going to respond in 5 to 8 sentences. And as always, please make sure that you include a quote from the text in your response. This response is due at the end of the day today and it's worth 10 points. Here's your prompt. What are your thoughts on containing the coronavirus in the United States? Explain your response in a complete paragraph, 5 to 8 sentences. Remember to include at least one quote from the text in your response. And then, of course, please keep working on that Zello checklist if you haven't finished it. You do have until the end of the week to get that done for 15 points. Thursday, May 21st, 2020. We have SSR today. I'm not going to let you guys skate off and not read during this time. And we also have a reading log. So I'm asking you guys to read for 20 minutes. Once you're done with that, on your reading log, you're going to record the title and author of whatever it was that you read. You're going to respond to the prompt that is associated with it for the day. And that prompt is going to be due at the end of the day, Thursday, May 21st, and is worth 5 points. So what is the prompt? Select a quote from your reading that really stuck out to you. In a paragraph, 5 to 8 sentences, respond to the quote. You may want to consider what you think the quote means, why you like it, or its overall relevance to what you're reading. And again, don't forget that Zello checklist that's due tomorrow. Friday, May 22nd, we made it to the end of the first week. So I'm actually splitting Friday up into 2 videos because, full disclosure, I already recorded this and tried to upload it to YouTube, and YouTube was like, yeah, no, it's too long. So I'm going to introduce your expectations for today on this video, and then we're going to end there, and I'll upload a second video today, Friday, where you can see what we're going to work on next week. It's a little bit of a bigger assignment, although don't worry, it's not that scary. But I just wanted to give you a little head start on it so you have extra time to work on it. So things that we'll be looking at would be research review. We're going to talk about the Michigan Electronic Library, and we're going to talk about your annotated MLA citation assignment. So for the end of this lecture, I'm just going to remind you the things that you had to do for this week. So on Wednesday, we did the article of the week response, and that was worth 10 points. Thursday, you had your first reading log worth 5 points, and your Zello checklist is due today, and that's worth 15 points. Please, 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 if you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach me preferably by email at brittany.dambro@lansingschools.net, but you can also get a hold of me by my Google Voice phone number, which I'll post in the Google Classroom as well. I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.